Unraveling Stay Put, Mastering English Phrases. Hello, English enthusiasts and language learners from around the globe. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to dive into. Stay put. This is a phrase you might come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? How do we use it? Stick around as we unravel this together. Stay put is a phrasal verb in English. Phrasal verbs are phrases where a verb is combined with a preposition or an adverb, creating a new meaning altogether. In the case of stay put, it means to remain in one place or position without moving. It's a way of telling someone or something to not move from their current location. Example 1. Imagine you are playing hide and seek with your friends, and you found the perfect hiding spot. You might tell yourself to stay put until the game is over, meaning you should stay in that spot and not move. Example 2. If a parent tells their child to stay put at the playground while they go to buy a snack, they are telling the child to remain in the same area and not wander off. Stay put can be used in various contexts, from casual to serious situations. Informal context. In an informal setting, you might use stay put when giving instructions to friends or family. For instance, if you're gathering for a group photo, you might say, "Everyone, stay put while I set the timer on the camera." Formal context. In a more formal or serious situation, a police officer might use stay put to instruct a group of people to remain in a specific location for their safety during an emergency. One common mistake is using stay put when referring to objects that naturally stay in place. Since the phrase implies an action of remaining stationary, it's more appropriate to use it when referring to people or things that have the capability of moving. And that's a wrap on Stay Put. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase correctly in various contexts. Remember, mastering a language takes practice, so don't be afraid to use Stay Put in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Happy learning, and until next time, stay curious.